Welcome to Mi-Ling's Comfort Zone. Here's your tip of the day. I'm going to make a smoked shrimp salad. Please like, share, and leave a comment. Welcome to Mi-Ling's Comfort Zone. Today I have a tip on using up some of your leftover stuff from the holiday. I have some smoked shrimp that I put on the grill, and I have some mayo, Dijon mustard, a little grated lemon, and I'm going to put some salt and pepper in here. And a little seasoning from savory seasoning from Chef Temple, who is an incredible chef that I watch. I actually use the seasoning on the shrimp. And then we're going to throw in some red wine vinegar and then just mix that up. Gives it a nice sweet taste. Mix that up. Put the shrimp in. Put it in a bowl. This is just enough leftovers for me to have a salad for lunch. I'm going to put in some red onion, some green pepper, and then I'm going to just mix it up. Put it on the salad. Make a little salad. Just enough salad for me for lunch. Top it off with a shrimp. And there you go. That's my quick shrimp salad. All we have to do now is taste it. A nice smoky shrimp, crunchy green peppers, red onion, savory spice from Chef Temple, and some just really delicious flavors with the red wine and mayo, and a little of the lemon zest. Kind of a kick. There's a kick to it. I love the shrimp salad. I make it a lot, but I haven't made it with the smoked shrimp, so you need to try it. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching my video. Now go out and create your own unique comfort zone.